Hello guys, today we will be creating a project how to make the area of a square and the perimeter of the square. First let's design and make our background more colorful. I will take the nice yellow and now let us take some labels because we need to specify what we are doing here and what does each label mean. So the first label we need to tell the starting input which will be enter a number that is the side of a square. So when he enters the number that is equal to the side of the square. We forgot to put square. We put square but it's not long enough. So let's drag it enough. Then here we need to say perimeter of the square. And let's drag it to the middle. And now here let us obviously do the other thing which I told, which we'll be finding out the area of the square. It is not coming so properly, but now it has come. And now let's drag it together. So now we have told our labels. Now we need to find a place where we can tell and give our input. So we'll be using the text input button here, and let's keep it right under so that they know that this is for which is the area and which is the text they have to type. Now this is enough, we'll code it more later, and let's start coding. So first we need to set the text of the perimeter and we need to get it from some place. So we'll use the set text and the id of the perimeter is text input 2, and then we can see the get text. First, we have to put the multiplication because we have to do a multiplication because we know that a side of a square is basically the side into 4 or side plus side plus side plus side. So we'll just be using the into 4 shortcut. And now we get the text from the text input 1, and then we ask it to do into 4. Then now let us run it. We can just text input for 11, reset, run. It shows 0 because we have not set text. So first we need to put a set text, id text input 1, and then text it will automatically ask us. So let's just wait, it will come later. So let's reset. Then we will get the text later, and let's set the text for the other text which is text input 3 for the area. So area is basically side into side or side square, so we will use the first multiplication, and then we'll have to use two get texts. So we'll use two get texts and type the id of text input 1. So when we use the text input 1, we find it. So both will show 0 because we have not typed anything here. So now we need to use a forever. So a forever can also be used as an on event. So as I had explored, let's use an on event here. So the on event, we need to choose the text input because we need to change that, and we need to tell when changed. Because look, if we, I'll show you what happens if we do not put that. If we do not put that, when we click on run, it obviously shows 0, and even if we click on enter, it does not let us change because it first we have to do the set text then change. So it is important for us to put this on event, and then we need to put on event text into one. When it is changed, then only we can set the text. So now let's run it. We'll first see the number of 13. We know 13 into 4, the perimeter is supposed to be 52, and the area is supposed to be 13 into 13, which is 169. So this is how we do the perimeter and square, guys. Let us just design it and then I will end this video. So let us choose this text input, and the text color, let's make it a nice blue, and then change the font to Georgia. Georgia reduces the space, and let us make the text color, no, the better is the background color, which we cannot find. Yeah, we found the background color here as it was white hidden. So let us change it to not the text color, the background color. Let's change it to red, and it is not changing, but then we need to get it here. The background is being hidden because we are using the backside, but that's fine. Then this we don't need to change. Let's adjust this place a little, and let us increase the size because you need to strain your eyes to see it. So font size, let us increase it and take it till here. Let's bring the ID here, and as you can see, I'll choose this and increase it to 29. 29 shows us everything. Now perimeter, as it's a subtopic, let's just make it 18 and send it here with a little here. So it's centerized, and area also we'll make it 19 around. 20 would be better because it's smaller. And let's centerize it. So we know 11 is too easy. 11 would tell us that the perimeter would be 11 into 4, which is 44, and area would be 11 into 11, which is 121. So as you can see, 44 and 121. If you want, let's try it with 20 also. 20 into 4, 80, and 20 into 20 would be 400. So as you can see, we have got all this. Thank you guys for watching this video, and